Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again to those of you watching on our One Spot Media platform. Up first this evening, 1 week after a U.S. online newspaper reported a security lapse on Jamaica's Jamcovid website, the newspaper is reporting another security lapse on the same application. This time, the report says passwords for the website were left unprotected on the server. The reporter who uncovered the security lapse said he held the story until this afternoon to give the government and the Amber Group a chance to respond, but neither did. U.S. online publication TechCrunch is reporting the discovery of a second security lapse on the Jamcovid website. In a report this afternoon, it said Amber Group had fixed the second security lapse that exposed private keys and passwords for the app and website. It says a security researcher told TechCrunch yesterday that the Amber Group left a file on the Jamcovid website by mistake which contained passwords that would have granted access to the back-end systems, storage, and databases running the Jamcovid app and site. It says the researcher asked not to be named for fear of legal repercussions from the Jamaican government. TechCrunch says it contacted Amber Group to alert it of the security lapse, and the company pulled the exposed file offline a short time later. Last week, TechCrunch revealed a weakness on the website and app, which it said left hundreds of thousands of travelers' data exposed. However, the government has countered, saying only about 700 travelers were affected, and it has since launched an investigation into the breach.